Open App Store, tap on the search and type Photoshop. Find Photoshop Express Photo Editor, select it. Make sure the developer is Adobe and then tap on Get. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open. You don't have to enable clipboard paste with Photoshop on your iPhone. You could customize photos. For example, if you have got a photo with any backgrounds, you could change it and add fun texts. You could also edit raw photos. This photo is very foggy and Photoshop can help you to make it look more clear. By using Adobe Sensei, you could do selective editing. For example, the background of this photo changes from a colorful to black and white while keeping the main object colorful. It also has got advanced healing. For example, you could make your face to look more smooth. You could cut out, combine, create stunning collages. It also has got a face retouch. The person here is not smiling, and then you could make the smile bigger and turn the face. Even though it's Photoshop, it also got video editing features, add text, apply audio, filters, and more. You don't have to allow notification. However, you will need to sign in or sign up to be able to use this app. So if you have already got an Adobe account, enter your email ID and then tap on continue and then enter your password, tap on continue. And in order to be able to use this app, you would need to enter your birth month and year and then tap on continue. Unfortunately, it doesn't give you any options to opt out of data collection, which is a shame. Tap on continue and it would keep pestering you with getting premium access. However, you could simply close it and use the free features. Next step is Photoshop would like to access your photos and then iPhone would give you 3 options. You don't have to give full access. Limited access is also fine. And then you could select any number of photos from your gallery that you would like Photoshop to access. Then tap on the gear icon, select preferences, then select JPEG quality and make sure maximum is selected. Now you can go back from the home tab, tap on open device photos, select the photo that you want. Bear in mind, because you have logged in, Adobe would automatically upload your photo to Creative Cloud. Again, it can be a privacy concern. Tap on get started and these are the tools that you could use. For example, if you would select heal and mark the areas that you want to heal. For example, if you would try to remove the hairs, then you will get this message saying this is a paid feature, so you won't be able to use it without subscribing. So tap on cancel and you could try other features and tools that are free. For example, text is for free and many other tools that you can try. However, because it keeps asking you to subscribe and many of its features are not available for free and there is a bit of a privacy concern as it automatically uploads your photos and videos to the cloud and it doesn't give any options to opt out and it forces you to log in order to use. I recommend you to watch my other video on how to install Snapseed, which is by Google, and it doesn't have any of these drawbacks that Photoshop has.